Charlie, what are you doing? Hello?
Hello, Charlie.
Oh my gosh. Charlie, what are you doing? I need the light.
Oh, you want the light?
I can't see without it anymore.
Okay. His water needs to be changed.
Hello, Charlie.
Yeah, I'm the only one that takes care of you and your little dirty water and food and everything. And I'm the only one that loves you, but
I
you
love
only want, well, it's a mutual bond, but I'm the only one that like says, take care of him, baby. Yeah. But it don't matter because it doesn't
I
matter.
want to see him jump at the cage like you did a little while ago.
You need to hide them.
Right out.
Get around the corner.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Here.
You keep turning the light off. I
I'm
can't
sorry.
see without the light! Look at him. He's got his mouth open and everything.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Here, let me come around this way. You go that way, I'll come around this way.
Pretty bird. Want a peanut? Is that what you want? A peanut?
Uh-oh.
What the? Hello, Charlie. Such a
Let me know when you want me to sneak around.
such a sweet bird. Sneak around. You're like making all kinds of noise. Such a sweet bird. So loving.
You know when you're ready.
I'm ready whenever you are. So loving.
I'll go around. You go around.
Pretty bird. He's looking at you. He's like, I'll bite them fingers. Oh, he's playing calm now. Look at him.
Oh, we're being nice now, aren't we?
Pretending he's all calm. What is that?
Whatever.
I'm going to back up.
It doesn't matter. He's so mean. You going to back? You want to show some? I will have hungry. He can smell you. He can smell.
He can smell you?
Mhm.
I can smell you. Was he Doug?
Which one of these slices?
Why is he on the floor?
Because he wants to climb on top of my head.
On the floor?
Yeah, that's what he does.
He puts his head down like
I know. I can
Here,
do that up
pet me.
here.
Pet me. I'll bite your fingers off.
If he's up here and one of these right here, I can pull back real quick. But if I'm like this, I can't pull it back as quick. So if he does it right here, I can.
Oh my gosh.
Put your head down. Put your head down. Put your head down. See? I can do that right there. Yeah. Yeah, be quick, because I'm not. I don't trust him. I've trusted him like too many times.
Your finger a couple
Yeah,
times,
and
fingernail.
mm-hmm.
He's like, come on, come on. No.
Put your head down. Put your head down. Come on, put your head down. Put your head down.
Yeah, you can pet the top of my head until I bite your fingernail off. Jesse is.
Yeah, I'm not here.
What did you say?
Uh-oh.
Hello, Charlie. Hello, Charlie.
What?
Hello.
What?
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Hello, Charlie. I think it's... Hello, Charlie. Hello.
Hello, Charlie.
Hello, Charlie.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Pretty bird. Hello, Charlie. Pretty bird. Ooh, such a pretty bird. Why are you so mean, Charlie? Why are you so mean, Charlie? Pretty bird. Hello. Hello, Charlie. Hello. I let you out, but you tend to swoop at people and jump on their head and bite them. I don't know why. Pretty bird. Ooh, such a pretty bird. Ooh, such a pretty bird. Ooh, such a pretty bird. Hello. Hello, Charlie. Let me change your water. You keep throwing stuff in there. There you go. Hello, Charlie. Hello. Hello, Charlie. Charlie, what is your favorite seed? Is it sunflower? What do you like the best? Peanuts? Looks like sunflowers. I think you like sunflowers. Whatever that is, who knows? Pretty bird. It's all over the floor. Why? It's a filthy mess. Messy bird. Hello, messy bird. Messy bird. You don't like corn apparently, because there was plenty of corn in that last bowl I threw out. Hello, Charlie.